What if I told you there's a Ferrari collection so secret that even most billionaires will never see it? Hidden behind these doors are machines worth more than $500 million. But here's the unbelievable part. Money alone can't buy every Ferrari inside. Some of these cars are invitation only, even if you're a billionaire. And by the end of this video, you'll discover the one Ferrari almost nobody on Earth can own. Unlike ordinary car collectors, the world's wealthiest Ferrari owners don't build garages, they build private museums. Every room is climate-controlled to protect millions of dollars worth of automotive history. Some Ferraris inside have delivery mileage, meaning they've barely been driven since leaving the factory decades ago. Collectors know that every extra mile can reduce a rare Ferrari's value by hundreds of thousands of dollars. But hidden in the center of this collection sits one Ferrari so exclusive that even billionaires have been turned away. At the heart of this collection sits a machine. Many experts consider it the greatest Ferrari ever built. It is the legendary Ferrari 250 GTO. Only 36 were ever built, making every surviving example one of the rarest cars on Earth. Today, collectors have paid more than $50 million for a single example, making it one of the most valuable automobiles in history. But collectors aren't chasing this Ferrari because of its price. They're chasing the history, the victories, and the legacy behind the badge. And somehow, even this legendary Ferrari isn't the hardest one to own, because the next car isn't bought with money. It's earned through Ferrari's trust.
Here's what most people don't know. For Ferrari's most exclusive models, having unlimited money isn't enough. The company decides who earns the privilege to buy them.
Ferrari carefully studies its most loyal customers. Previous ownership, brand loyalty, and long-term relationships often matter more than the size of a...
Some collectors have owned Ferraris for decades, yet still never receive an invitation for Ferrari's rarest creations. That's why certain Ferraris become more than cars. They become symbols of trust, history, and exclusivity. And this is exactly why Ferrari remains one of the most respected luxury brands in the automotive world. But the next story is even more unbelievable. After decades of building the world's most iconic supercars, Ferrari created something that wasn't designed for everyone. It was designed for the chosen few.
Owning a Ferrari like this isn't just about wealth. It's about earning Ferrari's respect through years of passion, loyalty, and history.
That's what makes Ferrari different. Every legendary model tells a story that goes far beyond horsepower or top speed. It becomes part of automotive history.
So if Ferrari offered you just one invitation, which model would you choose? And if you enjoy discovering the world's rarest cars and hidden automotive stories, subscribe to TrendMotoX, because the next mystery is even more unbelievable.